Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel legal and general life insurance, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel legal and general life insurance. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, make sure to cancel your policy within 30 days of its starting to get your full prepaid refunds. The first method to cancel your legal and general life insurance is by contacting their customer service team by making a call on their number. Dial 037001048080 or 037006000015 and you will get connected with one of their team members. Submit your request in front of them to cancel your life insurance policy by giving them all the details of your policy. They will ask about your contact information, and when they are done, they will cancel your insurance policy. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel legal and general life insurance via post. You can also submit your cancellation request to their team by sending a cancellation letter via post to their mailing address. After getting your letter, they will contact you from their side, make sure you provide the correct contact info, and help you with cancellation. Send the cancellation letter by post to this address: Legal and General Assurance Society Limited, City Park, The Drove, Hove, East Sussex, BN37PY. Method 3. Cancel legal and general life insurance via cancellation form. To cancel your legal and general life insurance, you can also fill out this cancellation form and submit the form to their team. As soon as your form will be received by their team, they will cancel your policy. Cancellation form contains 3 sections. Section 1, About You. And in Section 2, Your Cancellation Request. And in the last section, Customer Declaration. Fill out the form properly with all the 3 sections. Submit the form by sending the press button. Your cancellation request will be confirmed by their team within 10 working days. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel your legal and general life insurance. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.